আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমাদের নতুন একটা আমরা ব্যাচ শুরু করেছি। এখানে আমরা সবার সাথে পরিচিত হব, তারা আসলে কোথা থেকে এসেছেন এবং তারা কীভাবে আমাদের সম্পর্কে শুনলো, সহযোগী সম্পর্কে ধারণা নিল। দেখেন আমাদের এখানে মাশাআল্লাহ অনেক স্টুডেন্ট আছে। আজকে আমরা 11 জন নিয়ে শুরু করেছি কোর্সটা। আমরা প্রথমে জানতে চাইবো যে তার পরিচয়টা কি, সে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করবে যে তার নাম কি, বেসিক্যালি সে কোথা থেকে এসেছে। আমরা প্রথম দেখবো যে আমরা এক ভাইয়ের সাথে পরিচিত হব। হোয়াট ইজ ইউর নেম?
I'm Nafis.
Okay. What is your grade?
I completed grade 5 and now I am grade 6.
Okay, girl. Okay. How you got the news about Sohozogi?
I got the news from my mother.
From my mom. Okay. Okay. Thank you. আপনারা শুনেছেন উনি ওর মার কাছ থেকে শুনেছে সহযোগী সম্পর্কে। আমরা আরেক ভাইয়ের সাথে জিজ্ঞেস করব। What is your name? Now, stand up. What is your name?
I'm Russell.
Okay.
My hometown Kumilla. I came.
What is your grade? What you have completed yet?
I completed HSC. Now I doing honors.
Now I am doing honors. I am doing honors.
Now I'm doing honors.
Or I'm pursuing honors. Okay, no problem. Okay, how you got the news? How you got about Sohozogi?
I got the news from online.
Okay, good. Okay, and you? What is your name?
I'm Jubaras.
Okay, Jubaras is excellent name. Thank you.
I come. My hometown is Shredpur. I'm just completed grade 8. Now I'm grade 9.
Okay, you are grade 9, right? Okay, why you need English? Why you need English?
I'm learning.
I'm learning. Okay. Okay. What is the purpose? Why you came here? Why you came here? You came here to learn English, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why you came here, brother? Why you came here?
I came here to be a good in English.
Good. He came here to be good in English.
Yes.
To be good in English. Okay. Okay. If you practice, you will be a good speaker. Okay. You know, practice makes a man perfect. So they have to practice. If they practice more and more, and if they just follow our instructions, 100% they will be good in English, because our instructions is very simple and there is nothing without reading. But they have to practice just 1 or 2 months, and after that they will be good speaker more than our teachers, right? Thank you. Let's see. আমরা অন্য একজন ভাইয়ের সাথে কথা বলবো। What is your name, brother?
I am Joshim Sharif.
Okay.
My hometown Jalokati district. I completed my diploma in engineering degree. Now I continue my bachelor degree computer science and engineering.
Okay. How you heard about Sohozogi?
I got it online.
I got the news from online. You got the news from online, right? দেখেন আমাদের ভাই, he is from Jalokati. He's been Borishal, right? Southern part of Bangladesh. He came here to learn English because he needs English and he wants to be good in English. This কি পারপাস, দেখেন একটা মানুষের ইংলিশ দরকার, এর জন্য সে এখানে চলে এসেছে, রাইট? উনি আমাদের রেসিডেন্সিয়াল স্টুডেন্ট। আমাদের এখানে রেসিডেন্স আছে, যেখানে আমরা এখানে থেকে পড়তে পারবেন 3 মান্থের কোর্স, যেটা আমরা বলি ডিপ্লোমা। আপনারা এখানে ডিপ্লোমা করতে পারবেন আমাদের এখানে খুব ইজিলি। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমরা অন্য যে ভাইয়ের সাথে কথা বলবো। ভাই, হাউ আর ইউ ব্রাদার? হাউ আর ইউ?
I am fine.
ওকে, হোয়াট ইজ ইউর নেম?
I am Firdaus.
Okay.
I am from Pirozpur.
Okay.
I completed diploma engineering. I am doing now BSc.
Okay. He is doing BSc now. Why you need English? Why you need English?
I come here to be a good English.
Okay. He came here to be good in English, right? You came here to be good in English. How you got the news? How you heard about Sohozogi?
I got the news from online.
Okay, you got the news from online, right? Online or Facebook. আপনি রেসিডেন্সিয়াল, না? ইউ রেসিডেন্সিয়াল স্টুডেন্ট, রাইট?
Yes.
আপনারা জানেন আমাদের এখানে রেসিডেন্স আছে, যারা রেসিডেন্সে থাকতে চান, যে না ইউ হ্যাভ টাইম, দ্য 3 months you have time, you want to be a good speaker or you need to learn English, that time you are invited. Okay, you are welcome to our campus. Okay, আমরা এখানে মনোরম পরিবেশে থাকতে পারবেন, ফুল রেসিডেন্সে দ্য 3 months। এখানে আমাদের টিচার্স আছে যারা আপনাকে 24 ঘন্টা 24 hours সাপোর্ট দিবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমরা অন্য যে কথা বলবো। ব্রাদার, হাউ আর ইউ?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
I am Naimur Rahman Naim. My
Okay.
hometown is Madaripur.
Okay.
I completed my SSC and I am doing honors.
Okay. Why you came here?
I came here to a good in English.
Okay, a same purpose. Everyone has the same purpose. They came here to be good in English. They came here to learn English. They came here to speak English. Right, brother? Okay, thank you. Now আমরা ছোট একজনের সাথে কথা বলবো. He is non-residential students because maximum are residents but he is non-residential. দেখেই বোঝা যাচ্ছে ও আমাদের এখানে থাকে না, but ও আমাদের ব্রাহ্মমার মোবাইল স্টুডেন্ট. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Tashwin.
Okay, what is your grade?
I am grade 5 now.
I am in grade 5.
I am in grade 5 now. I am in grade 6.
Hello, I'm in grade 5. I completed grade 4. I completed grade 5. Now I am in grade 6. Grade 6, okay? He completed grade 5 and now he is in grade 6. আমরা আমাদের যে নিউ কারিকুলাম আছে ও ভার্সন স্টুডেন্ট, সেহেতু ও কমপ্লিট করেছে 5 আর 6 এ পড়ে. This he said I completed grade 5. Now I am in grade 6. Okay. Why you need English? Why you came here?
I am good English.
I want to be a good English. Okay, এই যে শিখে যাচ্ছেন যে ও এখন বলতে পারছে না, ইনশাল্লাহ আফটার 2 মান্থ ও খুব সুন্দর ইংলিশ বলতে পারবে, কারণ আমাদের স্ট্র্যাটেজি এরকম. আপনি যখন একটু সুন্দর করে একটি স্টুডেন্ট যে সময় দেবে আমাদের সাথে, জাস্ট আমাদের সাথে আপনি 10টা বা 12টা ক্লাস যখন করতে পারবেন 10 to 20, ইউ উইল বি গুড ইন ইংলিশ ইনশাল্লাহ. আমাদের আরেক ভাই, হি ইজ ফ্রম ইউরোপিয়ান, হি wear European dress, he love to use European dress. Okay, what is your name?
I am Fijon Kore Shridoy.
Yes, clearly, what is your name?
I am Fijon Kore Shridoy.
He is Frijon Kuraish Hridoy, right? What is your grade?
I completed my 14 part the Holy Quran.
Oh, he completed 14 chapters of Holy Quran. Means he is doing hefs, right? He is doing hefs. Okay, no problem. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Oh, he is in 11 years old. Okay. Why you need English? Why you need English?
I came to be in
I came here.
I came here to good in English.
Okay, he came here to good English. He had completed 14th chapter of the Holy Quran. Yes, he doing hefs. ও মানে 14 পারা পড়েছে, আর একটু সময় লাগবে তাহলে হাফেজ হয়ে যাবে ইনশাআল্লাহ. We pray for you, okay? Okay, thank you. How you heard the news about Sohozogi?
I got here from my father.
I got the news from my father.
I got the news from my father.
And I'm the next person. How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
I'm Shaun.
Okay. What is your educational qualification? I mean, what you have completed yet?
I completed my diploma engineering and I'm doing now BSc.
You are doing BSc. See, he completed BSc. He is our residential students, right?
Yes.
He came here to complete diploma. It's 3-month diploma. After 3 months, he will be a good speaker English, inshallah. He will be good in English. Okay, right? Okay. How you heard the news about Sohozogi?
I got the news from Facebook.
Oh, you got the news from Facebook, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. Why you need English? Why you need English?
I came here to be a good English speaker.
Okay, he needs English because he wants to be a good English speaker. Okay, another person, maybe he's the last one. Huzur bhai. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother?
I am doing well.
Oh, he is doing well. No, he's the exceptional. He used exceptional sentence. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Fijon Kore Shridoy.
Okay, what is your grade?
I am completed. I completed grade 4. Now I am
in grade 5.
I am graded 5.
Okay, he has completed grade 4. Now he is in grade 5. It's a new curriculum, right? আমাদের নিউ কারিকুলামে গ্রেড সিস্টেম. Let's say it's grade 4 and grade 5. আমরা যেটাকে বলি level 4, level 5. Okay, sit down. Why you need English?
I came.
He came here to learn English, right? He came here to learn English because he wants to introduce himself in his school properly, right? Okay, thank you. How you heard about Sohozogi? Maybe got the news from online or Facebook. Okay, no problem. We pray for you. Thank you. You're looking smart. The last person. We got 11 persons today for our new batch. Okay, we have completed more batches. This is our 11th person for new batch. Okay, now he is the last person. Okay, brother. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
I am Nadim.
Okay, you are Nadim, right? What is your grade?
I completed grade 6. Now I am in grade 7.
Oh, he completed grade 6. Now he is in grade 7. Grade 7. Okay. Number, how you heard about Sohozogi?
I got the news from my parents.
Oh, he got the news from his parents. Okay. Why you need English? Why you came here? Why you came here?
I came here from
I came here to.
I came here to be a good English speaker.
Okay, he came here to be good in English. He came here to be a good speaker. Okay, thank you. The same way, if you have aim to be a good speaker, you are welcome in our campus. You may visit here. We have so many teachers here. We have residential teachers and class teachers. They will teach you how to speak English, how to be good in English, how to be a fluent speaker. And if you have a chance, if you want to be abroad for higher studies, then you are welcome. We have some IELTS passes, right? We have some teachers that teaches IELTS. So thank you. We will see, we will meet, okay? We will meet inshallah. You are welcome in our campus. Thank you. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.